So card covers are a really great feature of Trello. As a designer myself, I'm a very visual person and I really care about the way things look. For me, it's my favorite feature. I'm going to show you how to make some card covers. So let's first make a card, and I'm going to make one called Monday because this is the Monday list, and what my goal of this video is to make little graphics at the top which represent all the lists. So I'm going to go add card. That has made a card for me. I'm going to click that one. It'll pop up this screen and I want you to go to cover. And you have a lot of options here, but to get an image, go upload a cover image. And I'm going to upload my Monday image. And that already looks so much better. I'm going to go add card. Tuesday. Cover. Upload a cover. Done. Now you might be wondering how I've made these graphics. These are actually made with Canva, which is a totally free program, and I've got a lot of other Canva tutorials which you can sort of reference. I'm also going to pop templates to these templates. I'm also going to put the templates that I've used today in the description, so if you want to grab those, you can definitely grab a copy. If I jump over to Canva, you can see I've got them all in here, and they're totally editable. You can change the colors, you can change the fonts. So yeah, definitely have a play around with that and make something which is on brand and feels right for you. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please just pop them below.